Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to adjust border width of a container in Elementor in WordPress. Right, as you can see, I am into Elementor. Here I am editing one of my web page of my website, and while using Elementor we have an option of plus icon in the middle of the screen to create a new container. So I have clicked on it, and here it is asking us to select the layout, and I am going to select the flex box, and in the structure I am going to select the one direction column. Okay, and now we are going to edit this container. So we are going to click on edit container option just above the container. So I've clicked on that, and here we have an option of layout, style and advanced, and we are going to increase the height of this container and going to the style settings. And here in the background we have selected normal, and background type we have selected the classic, and in the image we have chosen an image from media library. So I have selected this image, right, and clicked on select. Okay, scrolling down, now setting the position of this image to custom and decrease Y position so that image can move upward. Okay, so image position has been set. Now coming to the scrolling down to the border settings, and I have clicked on border, and here we are going to change the border settings of normal. Okay, and in the border type we have selected solid border setting, done. And in the border color we are going to select the yellow color. For example, I have selected yellow color from the color palette, and now I'm going to increase the border width. And as you can see, we can simply increase the border width. If you want to increase the border width from one side, then you need to delink the values, and you can simply increase the border width from one side, right? Else, if you want to increase the border width from all sides, then again you can unlink using this link values together button, and you can again start increasing and decreasing, and the border width would be increased or decreased for all the sides, right? So this is how you can adjust the border width of a container in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.